Welcome to the Apple Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is November 25th, 2024, and we're diving into the latest happenings in the world of Apple. From acquisitions to new product developments, we've got a lot to cover. Remember, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Apple's acquisition strategy has always been about enhancing user experience. The recent purchase of Pixelmator and Photomator has raised eyebrows, but Apple's history suggests these apps will likely continue to thrive. Just like Shazam, which was seamlessly integrated into Siri, or Dark Sky, which enriched Apple's weather app, Pixelmator could become a professional tool under Apple's wing. Photomator's future is less clear, especially with competition from Lightroom, but Apple's track record of respecting acquired apps' original functionality is reassuring. The M4 iMac, starting at $1,299, is a beautiful piece of tech that feels a bit out of place in today's laptop-dominated market. Its design hasn't changed much in 3 years, and while it offers modest performance improvements, it lacks the flexibility and size many users desire. The iMac's 23.5-inch display is praised for its color accuracy, but its limited port selection and inability to support multiple external displays without extra costs are drawbacks. It's a niche product, best suited for specific environments rather than general consumer use. Apple's chip production strategy might see a significant shift with the upcoming A20 Pro chipset, expected to debut with the iPhone 18 series in 2026. Rumors suggest Apple might transition from TSMC to Intel's 2nm-20A technology, marking a diversification in its supply chain. While the A19 Pro, set for release in 2025, will still use TSMC's N3P process, the A20 Pro is anticipated to bring substantial advancements in performance and efficiency. Apple is reportedly revisiting its plans to develop its own TV screen, a project that dates back to the Steve Jobs era. The company is considering launching a smart home display as a precursor to an Apple-branded TV. This move aims to compete with major players like Samsung and LG. The smart home display could serve as a hub for controlling various home devices, potentially paving the way for a future TV product. In a contrasting approach to proprietary technology, Tesla has opened its NACS charging standard to other EV manufacturers, while Apple has clung to its Lightning port, now being phased out in favor of USB-C due to EU regulations. The article suggests Apple could benefit from adopting open standards, which might enhance its product offerings and foster competition. Apple is encouraged to develop a low-cost streaming stick to compete with Amazon's Fire TV and Google's Chromecast. This could boost Apple's presence in the smart home market. Additionally, Apple plans to revamp Siri with advanced AI capabilities to keep pace with competitors like OpenAI's ChatGPT. FitBee, a free nutrition tracking app for iPhone users, offers a comprehensive food database and prioritizes user privacy. The app's latest update allows meal logging from any app's share menu. Users appreciate its ease of use and efficient workflow, though suggestions for improvement include multi-device sync. EyeSoothe is an app designed to enhance eye health, featuring AI-powered virtual eyewear try-on technology and vision tracking tools. It's compatible across multiple devices and encourages family health by allowing sharing among up to 6 family members. The app is available for $8.99 and requires iOS 16 or later. MedNotes is an educational resource for medical students, offering over 2,500 detailed notes and 50,000 visual aids. The app supports continuous updates and provides lifetime access with a one-time purchase. User reviews highlight its effectiveness, though some report occasional crashes. That's all for today's episode of the Apple Daily News. We hope you found these insights into Apple's latest moves and innovations intriguing. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Join us next time for more updates from the world of Apple. Until then, stay curious and stay informed.